Across the world, massive storage tanks stand as the backbone of the energy and chemical industries. At this large oil terminal, towering steel tanks rise dozens of meters into the sky. To the naked eye, everything appears perfectly intact. No corrosion, no leakage, no visible structural damage. But appearance can be deceiving. Using OspreyX high-precision depth scanning, we capture millimeter-level 3D point cloud data of the entire structure. The data reveals a critical anomaly, a deformation zone nearly 3 square meters wide, bulging outward by about 1.5 centimeters. By comparing historical scan records, we trace the emergence of this deformation to within the past 15 days. Further analysis points to the cause: severe material buildup along the inner wall, generating localized lateral pressure beyond the tank's design limits. This is the nature of invisible structural fatigue: silent, gradual, and often unnoticed. By the time cracks become visible to the human eye, catastrophic failure may already be unavoidable.